Meaning of dishonest.
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 Dishonest. Dishonest means lacking sincerity or truthfulness, deceiving others for personal gain, or acting in a fraudulent or immoral manner. When someone is dishonest, they may lie, cheat, or steal to achieve their goals, violate trust and harm relationships, reputation and even legal consequences. Dishonesty can manifest in many forms, such as plagiarism, fraud, embezzlement, and infidelity. It can undermine the values of integrity, honesty, and ethics, leading to negative impacts on individual and social well-being. Therefore, it's important to uphold honesty and transparency in daily life.